Here in the Paks Nuclear Power Plant, one of the goals of establishing the AR technology is to increase the efficiency of training. Increasing the efficiency of training is important to decrease the time required for training an employee. Most of the existing employees of the Paks NPP are members of Generation X. We are aware that many of them will retire in the next couple of years. They will be replaced by the members of Generation Y and Generation Z. These generations actually want the paper manuals used for training to be replaced with digital technology and learn via online interfaces. They want us to use modern tools which stimulate their interest during training.
My name is János Omakt, and I have been working for the Paks Nuclear Power Plant since 2002 and here in the Repairman and Practicing Center since 2011 as a trainer of one of the disciplines. I teach the theory and practice of equipment. With regards to Manifest and HoloLens, what I really like about them when in use, with the glasses and the whole program, is that whoever is using them and works on maintenance or gives training is constantly given information as to how to carry out the task itself. As a trainer, this is a great help, as you do not have to explain to trainees all the time what to do, which tools to use. They can just carry out the task independently.
My name is Laszlo Kern, and I work as a trainer specialized in electricity. I have been working here in the Repairman and Practicing Center for 15 years now, and I am a trainer for high-voltage electricity, teaching repairers and employees working in operations. This is something very new, a completely new technology. But it is really easy to use and manage, which makes it easy to master it. The best thing about using Manifest was that the software is so simple and easy to review that it was very easy to learn to use it.
My name is Béla Sitke. I am a reactor maintenance trainer engineer in the Paks Nuclear Power Plant and have been in this position for about 20 years. I have been working as a team leader here in the Repairman and Practicing Center for a good couple of years now. The simplicity of Manifest is excellent. Whatever we imagine, we can do with it. Videos, texts, images, instructions, arrows to show which direction to go and look. We have achieved that someone who has neither prepared nor repaired the feed-through procedure before is able to complete the procedure using the job template and AR guidance, alone and independently, using Manifest on HoloLens. So, in my opinion, using Manifest is extremely beneficial, and it allows us to develop training modules very quickly.
At this moment, we need at least 2 years for a repair technician to carry out work independently. We trust that by establishing this AR-based training across the organization, it will significantly shorten this time period. We definitely see this technology as the future, and Manifest as the tool to increase the efficiency of training for the generations of the future.